So this is looking at how to upload files to zymic on Dreamweaver cs6. So if we look at zymic here, we need to first of all figure out what our FTP is, and we do that by looking at the control panel. We're logging into our particular website that we're looking at. So this one is a sample one. So if we have a look here, when it loads onto our website, we've got our FTP information here on the side. So that's the only thing we need to look at there. So I'm going to pull these all the way across to the side and have a look at Dreamweaver. So in Dreamweaver, of course, I have my site. So I'm just going to check by going Site, Manage Sites. And this is the site that I'm looking at here. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to double click on that. And I've already got my files set up, and I'm going to go to Servers. Now I'm just going to delete this server just so I can show you how I created it. If I click on the plus symbol here, and I'm going to call this zymic server, doesn't matter what you call it here, just to make it a little bit easier. And my FTP address, I've got it over here. I can just copy the host, so I can Command C there, put that into the FTP address. My username is here under user. Double check that I've got port 21, and port 21 is here. And my password, which I'm not going to tell you. And then if you hit test, that will test the server connection. So you can see that happening in the background down here with the little globe that goes around and around and around and around. Yep, done, okay, save, save, done. Now what we're looking at is this little files section here. What we've got to do is click on this button to expand it so we'll see it. We click on the connect button, which allows us to connect, which we've just set up through the sites, and that will all connect across slowly. Okay, so what we've got is our actual files here and our remote files here, so this is what's on the server. So what you'll notice is that we've got our Photoshop stuff here, we don't have it here, and all we've got to do to push it is to select the files that we want and click put to the remote server. Yes, you want to include the dependent files, and they'll all transfer for you. And that's it. Hello.